2022 Aprilia 660 Rupees Limited Edition Guide. Introducing the new 2022 Aprilia 660 Rupees Limited Edition. A year after its launch on the market, Aprilia 660 Rupees is already celebrating its first important sports milestone. The medium-sized Italian sport bike made this achievement in the United States, dominating the 2021 edition of the Twins Cup, the prestigious American championship dedicated to medium-engine capacity twin cylinders within Moto America, the premier motorcycle racing series in the States. In celebration of this victory, at EICMA 2021, Aprilia introduces a numbered special edition of 1,500 units of 660 rupees, characterized by a new stars and stripes livery inspired by the American flag. A color scheme closely derived from the special graphics on the bike that the Twins Cup champion, Caleb de Quirol, rode in the race at Vallelunga for the final round of the Aprilia 660 Rupees Trophy, where Caleb had been invited to participate as a reward for his important championship victory on American soil. Aprilia 660 Rupees Limited Edition also boasts a standard equipment package that includes some of the racing content from the competition version that proved to be unparalleled in the Twins Cup, taking 10 wins out of the 13 races held. The future respects the traditions of the House of Knoll, which has long been renowned for its innovation and distinctive character. With its sporty personality and stunning contemporary lines, the 660 Rupees brings the winning Aprilia track experience to the road. Its unique design shapes a lightweight, compact bike with sleek, agile volumes. Delivering stability at high speeds, it is all about creating a fun, pleasurable riding experience.